Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to do one more of these videos on this flame. And I'm going to do two different things. One, if you're not happy with the flame, you can always change the flame. I'm going to hold down the control key and I'm going to put this a little bit closer to the other letter. Now, with the shape tool, and if you're not happy with some of these flames, you can always use the shape tool to delete nodes, add nodes, and you could make anything you wanted. And then kind of always look back on it. Maybe you can put this so it looks more like the curvature of the D. If that's a too small a flame right there, just take the shape tool and just make it a little wider, maybe delete those nodes, make it a little bit wider and delete these two nodes, and maybe even delete that node. So there's a lot you can do with the nodes afterwards. Now we're going to left click no fill, right click hairline. And what I've done, I've brought the flames into the D a little bit more. So now you could smart fill it. And let's move that up that 1 inch. Smart fill it and move that up. And now the flames kind of look like they go into the next letter. Instead of, well, they look like they did before, but now you can actually see the difference of the colors of the text. So that is pretty cool. Let's get rid of these outline ones so you can see it a little bit better. So there's two options. You can have this all black, and with that you could just move that out of the way, and well, you would have to start all over and smart fill it with these parts in there, and when you weld it, they would go away. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.